Welcome to this somatic yin yoga practice, perfect for releasing tension and stress. My name is Joelle. Let's get started in a simple butterfly pose. So coming to sit with the soles of the feet together and the knees out wide. And we'll add an element of acupressure here. So taking the width of about 4 fingers up the inside of your lower legs above the ankle, let your thumbs find that pressure point as you slowly let the upper body lean forwards. You can place as much or as little pressure on this acupressure point as you would like. This is the spleen 6 point in traditional Chinese medicine, which is associated with releasing stress, improving circulation and digestion, and just general release. So as we hold this first stretch, I encourage you to relax. Let your eyes close and your breath be calm. Release. And let's begin to come out of this pose, lifting up through the upper body, maybe just gently rubbing down through the insides of your legs, noticing how that all feels. And then using your hands to help close your legs as we slowly transition to all fours. We're coming towards a melting heart pose, so once your hips are over your knees, you can slowly start to walk your hands forwards, letting your forehead and your heart melt in the direction of the earth. Think about really sinking through the upper body. We are not using strength or effort to hold the pose. We're simply letting gravity do the work for us. And with every breath, you might find that something new releases. Something else lets go. As you sink. Without rushing, start to slowly walk your hands back towards an all-fours position with the shoulders roughly over the wrists. We'll take a little release here with a few cat and cows, arching and rounding through the spine. Could even turn this into a more circular motion, just any little motions that feel good for you, any little wiggles to shake things off after that longer stretch. And then bringing yourself back to center and coming to take a seat for our next pose, a half shoelace. So with the legs extended out in front of you, we'll bend the right knee and bring the outside of that right knee on top of the left knee so that your right foot is close to your left hip. And once again, that left thumb could come and find spleen 6, that acupressure point on the inside of your calf, about 4 fingers above your ankle. Maybe holding here for a few breaths with the eyes closed. And if you prefer a different option, you can also bring your left hand onto your right shoulder, letting your right hand support you. Keep the legs nice and relaxed. And one final option I'll offer here is to ever so slightly twist the upper body towards the right, still resting on the palm of that right hand. So choosing the option that suits you best. And let your breath allow you to continue releasing. And whatever variation of this half shoelace you had taken, begin to come out of it. Use your hands to free up that right leg, lengthening and shaking out both legs. Maybe shaking out the neck a little bit as well. And coming towards our second side, this time left knee crosses over right, left foot close to right hip, fingertips supporting you behind the body, and maybe that right thumb comes about 4 fingers above your ankle to gently press in here for a few breaths. You're welcome to stay as you are, or you could instead bring your right hand and place it on your left shoulder, noticing how this changes sensation. And final option would be to begin to twist the upper body any amount towards the left. Whichever option you choose, keep the feet, legs, upper body, jaw, face, and shoulders relaxed. And breathe. And let's begin to release that pose. The hands can help the left leg alongside the right. Give them that little shake. And then come to take a comfortable seat. We'll finish up with just a little bit of a neck release here. So rolling the shoulders back, finding a nice tall seat. Let the right ear fall towards the right shoulder, and then trace a semicircle to bring the left ear over the left shoulder. And just rock back and forth. Gentle semicircles with the neck. And eventually finding that nice tall seat again with a soft smile. As we sweep the arms up overhead, the palms to touch, and bringing the hands down in front of the heart. Beautifully done. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like more classes like this is actually part of a series of 5 classes of Somatic Yin, and I'll leave the details for those other classes in the description box of the video. Have a beautiful day.